Hey guys, bit of an update video. Probably noticed I've not had a video out for a while. There's a couple of reasons that's happened. The first one is my son has graduated high school, which has obviously meant it's been a very busy time. The second, which is kind of related to the first, is I've had to completely rebuild my deck. And the reason I say it's related to the first is because we're rebuilding it because we're having a graduation party for my son. So I've been having to completely rebuild everything. We've had to take all the boards off. The boards that were there originally were a bit of a mess, so we've taken them off. We've had to rebuild sections of the frame, and now we're in the position of putting new boards down. We're going to be putting covering the posts with PVC posts, and then we're going to be putting fresh new rails up. So I've been doing that for the past few weeks, which is why I've not had a chance to actually publish any videos. I have, however, got a few projects lined up, so let's have a look at those. So the first project I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and put a build in an old Antec case that I brought over from the UK 11 years ago. So it's going to be interesting because I'm going to have to mod it. I'm going to have to cut out holes for cable runs. You can see I've already marked out 2 of the holes I'm going to have to cut out, but I'm also going to have to cut out a hole for the 24-pin cable. But it's going to be interesting. I've already changed over one of the fans. I'm also going to have to probably do something with the front. I'm not too sure yet. Even the cables coming from the power button on top, etc., I'm probably going to have to do something with. The next one is I'm going to do a video which covers buying keyboards from Walmart of all places. So I did a video previously based on Best Buy, where I went in and said what mice you can buy. So I did 3 mice you could pick up for $30 or less. This is going to be 3 keyboards from Walmart that are picked up for under $50, and this is one of them, which is the Razer Sciencer, or however you say it, Lite. So it'll be interesting. I'll put this up against 2 other keyboards to see how they do. Lastly, I've got 3 coolers to add to the Cooler League. This is one of them, which is an MSI cooler. It's the Core Frozer, or whatever it's called. But that one's going to be added to the Cooler League, as well as a Scythe cooler and another cheap cooler I bought off Amazon to see if it's any good. So that's another one I'm going to do. That's the content I've got coming once I've finished off doing the deck and doing everything else to do with my son's graduation. Hopefully I'll be able to get it done very soon. Keep your eyes peeled for when the videos come out, and I'll hope to see you in the next video very, very soon. Take care, guys.